Welcome guys to 30 Days of Learning Canva. Congratulations to all of you for making it to the final day of our 30-day Canva learning series. First of all, I want to congratulate each one of you for sticking with the program and honing your design skills. In today's video, we'll take it a step further and explore how you can start earning from your Canva creations. We will be discussing 3 different ways to make money from Canva. E1 is sell your template in Canva. First of all, you have to search for Canva Creator. Open and then select Become a Creator. Then click which type of content you would be making. Then apply. Then you will be asked to share your sample work. And then you will be asked to share your further data. Then you can apply, and after a few days, you will receive confirmation mail. Afterwards, you can sell your templates and generate revenue. The second way is to offer your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Canva's easy-to-use interface allows anyone, from beginners to seasoned designers, to produce professional-level graphics, logos, and marketing materials. By building a portfolio of your best work, you can showcase your versatility and attract clients from all over the world. With freelance platforms, you have the flexibility to offer various services ranging from social media graphics to branding materials, broadening your reach and maximizing potential income. Another powerful way is to create design-related content and sharing it across social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Video content can be incredibly engaging, whether you're offering design tutorials, sharing time-lapse videos of your creative process, or providing design tips. By establishing yourself as a valuable resource in the design community, you can build a following that may eventually lead to more freelance work. Additionally, linking your freelance profiles or portfolio in your social media bios or video descriptions helps convert viewers into clients. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.